quick tutorial on how to unprogram remotes, how to clear your garage door motor from any remotes that you have programmed to it. This is an older one from 2010. This is a LiftMaster, but this system that I'm going to show you now will work with any motor, any LiftMaster, Craftsman, Sears, some Genies, pretty much 90% of the motors. So what you want to do is you want to follow those wires that come from the ceiling. It's going to come into the motor. Right next to where it plugs into the motor, you're going to have a button. This one here is purple. Some of them are different colors, but it doesn't really matter. And they have a service light right on top of them. So what you want to do is you want to hold it. That service light will turn on, and keep it pressed for about 8 seconds. And there you go. As soon as this shuts off, this motor now has no remotes programmed to it. Basically, you've erased the memory. You can do it again if you want. It doesn't matter. It's not gonna ruin it. And right now, so this is if someone stole your remote, or your motor's opening up by itself, or for whatever reason you want to unprogram your remote, this is how you do it.